Yeah, so welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. It's another day of Nanay. It's just a small progress. But what they did now is they already stamping here in the side, ready for tomorrow's cementing, and we got delivery of the balas. So now this is what this gonna be abuhan. We're cooking of the wood, but in this time instead of putting soil on it and then put for cooking as the soil as the floor, we will do it as a cement because the problem of the soil, right? Because we're gonna remember before the cooking of Nana, it's soil, and the problem of that, it's the cat. The cat always pooping.
The cat's pooping it.
So, so Nanay says if we could just cement there and then so that it's look nice, it's look clean.
Animal Farm.
Because we got 3 cats now, and even though Golden and the rest are already adult, they still love to poop in the soil here. So this is the cement mixer here. I told them to not, because the last time they got difficulty on getting this tire, but now still didn't clean up. But I'm not complaining. That's the way it works. It's very good. It's a big space, you know that. Yeah, and then in that side supposedly there's a big sanga there, some branches. But branches of breadfruit, but Nanay let the one of the guy to cut it. It's because the leaves is always, the branches always falling or dancing in the roof, so it looks like there's a wak-wak. Especially if it's windy because of the branches. So Nanay cut it, and at the same time to avoid the bat, you know, because we got some breadfruits there, and then the bat in the night are eating it, and while eating they also pop, so it goes to the roofing. So we cut that portions. This breadfruit has been here for many years. I think Nanay said it's been 50 years since here, and because when Tata and Nanay arrives here, that's the time that he also planted that breadfruit. So it's almost 50 years over. So it's a memories there. That's the witness of our lives. Yeah, so that's it. And what we're gonna do later as part of the plan is we're gonna cement it. We're gonna put a file of blocks here to avoid the erosion, because it's still the soil getting farther and farther going down. And then in this area here also we put the blocks here because there's a lot of holes there that some of the small baby snakes hiding. So that's gonna be the plan in the next following months. And then here we're gonna do a pathway here accessible for wheelchair, going to the guest house and at the same time going to our house extension.
That's going to be pretty steep.
Yeah, but we
probably have to take it from over there so that it comes up like that.
Yeah, like
we'll have
that.
To work that out. Don't let them start that without any discussion.
No, we don't.
Okay?
We don't start yet. It's gonna be after maybe 5 months. Yeah, so that's it. That's an update. So we're waiting for our dinner. Yeah, so please like, comment, and subscribe. There's a moon over there. And once there's a moon, there's always be a star. Have a good day and God bless.